Welcome to our cosmic adventure as we embark on a journey to explore one of the most enigmatic and fascinating objects in the universe, black holes. Get ready to be astounded by their mind-bending properties and their profound impact on the cosmos. To understand black holes, we need to go back to the birth of stars. Imagine a vast cosmic nursery, where clouds of gas and dust collapse under gravity, giving birth to new stars. Among these newborn stars, some are incredibly massive. As they reach the end of their lives, they burn through their nuclear fuel and undergo a violent supernova explosion. This explosion leaves behind a dense and compact core, collapsing into a gravitational beast we call a stellar black hole. At the heart of a black hole lies the event horizon, a point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, even light, it is forever trapped inside the black hole. But that's not all. Some black holes are far larger than their stellar counterparts. They are called supermassive black holes. These giants reside at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Their masses can range from millions to billions of times that of our Sun. Supermassive black holes shape the fate of entire galaxies. They play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies over billions of years. Over the years, scientists have made incredible discoveries about black holes using advanced telescopes and technologies. From the groundbreaking detection of gravitational waves, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, to observing the effects of black holes on surrounding matter and even seeing their colossal jets of energy shooting into space. Humanity's quest to understand black holes continues, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge about the universe and the very fabric of space-time. As we conclude our cosmic journey, remember that black holes are not just mysterious and captivating objects. They represent some of the most extreme environments in the cosmos, challenging our understanding of physics and our place in the universe. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of black holes. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let the wonders of the universe continue to amaze you. Until next time.